Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. Today we're going to be smoking some thick cut pork loin chops, and we're going to cover it with some Sweet Baby Ray's. Y'all know how I do, but this is going to be a real good cook, and it's going to make some real good meat. So let's do it. All right, so what we're going to be using, we're going to be using the heat roused garlic butter as the base. We're gonna come over that with the Meat Church's Holy Voodoo. And just to make sure that the temp, we're gonna try to get these from 145. We're gonna be using the meat stick to make sure that we're able to keep that temperature right. And of course, before we finish it, gonna do that Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue. So now, let's look at what we got for the meat. So as you see right here, we got 4 thick cut pork loin chops with the bone in, and it's still kind of moist, so we're not going to use a binder. We're just going to go straight on with this garlic butter. Like I said, we're going to come over the top of that with the Holy Voodoo. All right, we're gonna give that a moment to set in, to let it sweat a little bit so that it can absorb some of that great flavor from those rubs. We're gonna get that char-griller up to 250 degrees, and then we're gonna toss these bad boys on there. See you at the smoke. All right, we're gonna go ahead and get these on here. Like I said, we're doing them at 250. And we'll check back on them in about 20 minutes. Okay, it's been 20 minutes. See, it's not dried up yet, so I'm not gonna worry about putting any that spray butter on here. I'm gonna let it go for another 20 minutes. All right, we've been on here for 40 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look. And that's about what I wanted to see before I went ahead and sprayed this with butter. And right now we're sitting close to 100 on the internal temp. So we're gonna go another 20 minutes. Okay, these have been on for an hour. The internal temperature is about 138. And I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put that sauce on them. Now I'm gonna let them go for about 10 more minutes and we should be good. Welcome back. We're finished with the cook now, but just to give you a quick recap, we took some thick cut pork loin chops. We covered it with some heat roused garlic butter, covered that with some Meat Church's Holy Voodoo. We put it on a char-griller gravity 980 at 250 degrees. The entire cook took about 1 hour and 10 minutes. About the last 5 to 10 minutes, we put the barbecue sauce on it, Sweet Baby Ray's honey barbecue sauce. We took it off at about 142 internal temp so that while it was resting, the carryover would get it to that 145 that I was looking for, and let it rest for about 10 minutes. And hey, we're right here now, which is the best part, which is the tasting of the food. So let's take a look, cut a piece, and get the taste of this goodness. Let's do it. All right, so as you can see, here's my chops. They look good. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna take a piece off of this one. Just gonna cut right here. Yep, that's good. That looks real good. See a little smoke ring around it. See another piece. You see it's glistening, still juicy. Go ahead and take a bite of this. So here we go. Let's see what it's like. Man, that is good. Tender, juicy, a lot of flavor from those rubs. The barbecue sauce, of course, you know, Sweet Baby Ray, can't go wrong. It's great. Yeah. Everything is actually better than I was hoping it would be. But that's the end now, so you know I gotta do my little shout outs to all the people already subscribed to my channel. Thank you for coming back. Continue to rock with me. We're gonna keep on putting out some more content. For those that have not joined yet and you're still watching, hey, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's free, doesn't cost you a thing. And while you're at it, hit that thumbs up and ring that bell so you can be notified when I do an additional cook. Other than that, yeah, man, these pork loin chops, man, they fire. I'm about to go on and cut this video and get to eating something. So I'll see y'all next time. I'm out.